Tokyo weather in January. What to really expect?
In this video, you'll learn what Tokyo is like weather-wise in January, why it's clear, dry,
And if we'd recommend you to visit during this month.
why January is special.
January has the highest number of clear blue sky days of the entire year.
Because of this, it's widely considered Mount Fuji viewing season. From Tokyo, Mount Fuji has a 97% visibility rate in January.
Higher than any other month. The mountain is famously shy, but January gives you your best chance. Excellent places to see Mount Fuji.
Head to an observation deck such as the Metropolitan Government Building, the Bunkyo Civic Center. January's dry air means sharper contrast and cleaner photos of the snow-covered peak, rainfall and dryness.
Average rainy days. Average rainfall. The driest month of the year.
With so little moisture in the air, Tokyo's usual atmospheric haze disappears. Visibility across the city dramatically improves.
Dry air side effect.
Low humidity increases static electricity. Some people report an increase in static shocks from handrails or metal surfaces. Anti-static spray can help.
Temperature.
Early January is still cold, and late January is often colder. Here are the average temperatures for the start, middle, and the end of the month. Between January 10th and 18th, central Tokyo often experiences a brief warm spell known as a false spring. In 2026, an unusually warm 17.8 degrees was recorded in Shibuya.
Visitor advice.
The sun's warmth is noticeable, but the shade is like a fridge.
In January, the temperature difference between sunny and shaded streets can be 5 degrees or more.
Always dress for the shade, even if the sun feels warm. Daytime and sunshine figures.
January days are short but bright. Average daylight. Average sunshine. Visitor tip.
Wind-blocking layers matter more than thick wool. A wind-resistant puffer coat over a normal sweater and thermal innerwear is often more effective than a bulky parka. Visitors commonly report the large heat differences between the outside versus inside trains and shops. This can be uncomfortable. Again, a puffer coat can be easier to manage and be folded inside a backpack.
It's a perfect season for warming winter dishes like odem, nabe, and hot sweet sake, amazake.
Should you visit Tokyo in January?
Definitely. Clear dry weather.
The cold is easy to manage with proper layering. It's one of the best months for visibility and photography.
January may be cold, but for winter sun.
Tokyo is up there with the best of them.